Let's learn simplified. In this part, we'll learn the average function. The average function calculates the main value of numbers. So, for example, here is an example student marks. So I have to type average B2 through B4, and it will give me the answer, which is 80. So another way to find out the average is here, select and type and press average. So it will give me the result. So if you drag it down, so it's giving me a result like 83.33, like something like. So if you are wondering what's happening here, so it's basically the average of 80, 90, and 80, which is 83.33, and it goes on.